series combination. Look here now. Cells is in series combination nana. Look here. This is the cell nana. Plus minus. This is another cell nana. Minus plus. This is another cell nana. Minus plus. And so on. And so on. All are connected to the external resistor. Its resistance is capital R. Okay? This is the cell nana. Its EMF is E. Internal resistance R. Next cell EMF E. Internal resistance R. Next cell EMF E. Internal resistance R. Here, how many cells are taken? N cells are taken. N is indicate number of cells. Diagram lo enni kanipistunayi? 3. But undedi number of cells is n. More than 3 unnayi nana. Okay? Look here. Nana, in the series, which will be add nana? Voltage. Simply E net equal to nana 2 cells untayi. E plus E 2E. 3 cells untayi. E plus E 3E. 4 cells untayi. 4E. Here how many number of cells is there? N cells is there. That's why net EMF is NE. Look here nana. What is the net EMF nana? NE. Okay? Next nana, I discuss. Next nana. What is the effective resistance? What is the effective resistance? That means total resistance. External resistance is capital R plus internal resistance. Nana, these all cells in what combination? Series combination. R's formula R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on Rn. 2 cells unte 2R, 3 cells unte 3R, n cells unte nR. In the series combination, all cells in series, that's why total internal resistance is nR. Okay? మరి ఇప్పుడు మనకి కావాల్సింది కరెంట్ రావాలి. కరెంట్ పొందాలి అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఓమ్స్ లా? I equal to V by R. Okay? Look here. Here the combination is series combination. Is equal to V indicate voltage, that is called net EMF. What is the net EMF? NE. Look here. What is the net resistance? Capital R plus small n into small r. This is the formula for Is. What is the formula for Is? Ne by capital R plus n into small r. ఇక్కడ n అంటే ఏంటి? Total number of cells. Total number of cells. Okay? What is the capital R? Capital R indicate external resistance. External resistance. Okay? What is the small r? Internal resistance of each cell. Internal resistance of each cell. What is the formula for all cells are connected in series? Is equal to Ne by capital R plus n into small r. This is the formula for cells in series combination. 1, 2. What is the formula? NE by R plus NR. Look here now. Okay? In the formula, first I discuss case 1. The condition is external resistance greater compared to internal resistance. Once again I repeat, external resistance much more compared to internal resistance. Here IS equal to, look here now, N E by R తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే NR value is very small. That's why NR is neglect. Finally we get capital R. Nana, in this situation N into E by capital R. This is the formula for IS when external resistance is much more compared to internal resistance. We got IS N into E by R. E by R according to Ohm's law, current due to single cell. How many times increase? N times. What is the use of combination? We got maximum current. In this situation, we got maximum current. In the series combination, require external resistance is much more compared to internal resistance. Once again I repeat, what is the use of combination? The combination uses current. We got maximum current in the series combination. External resistance is much more compared to internal resistance. Next case now, look here, R value less compared to internal resistance. In this case, internal resistance is much more compared to external resistance. Here IS equal to NE by, here NR తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే R is neglect nana, so that's why NR. Here N cancel. Current in the series combination we get E by R. That means all current in the series combination equal to the current due to single cell. Simply we got minimum current. Nana, but what is the combination required? We got a maximum current. When the maximum current is, we got external resistance is much more wrongly connected some cells. Look here. For example, here this is the first cell, EMF is E, internal resistance R. This is the second cell, EMF E, internal resistance R. This is the third cell, EMF E, internal resistance R. Here this is the another cell. Here look here, and so on. EMF E, internal resistance R. All are connected to the external resistor. External resistance is denoted by capital R. Look here now. Here nana minus plus, but here plus minus. This cell is wrongly connected now. The question is also by mistake some cells are wrongly connected. Some cells are what, Nana? Wrongly connected. For example, here n indicate total number of cells. N indicate total number of cells. M indicate number of wrongly connected cells. N indicate total number of cells. M indicate number of wrongly connected cells. Number of wrongly connected cells. N means total number of cells. M means number of wrongly connected cells. ఓకే, మరి ఇప్పుడు మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని సెల్స్ రాంగ్గా కలిపాం? ఒక సెల్. దీనికి ఇది ప్లస్ ఈ అయితే ఇదేమవుతుంది? మైనస్ ఈ. అప్పుడు ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? క్యాన్సిల్. వన్ సెల్ రాంగ్లీ కనెక్ట్ అయితే ఎన్ని సెల్స్ రెడ్యూస్ అవుతాయి? టూ సెల్స్ రాంగ్లీ కనెక్ట్ అయితే ఎన్ని సెల్స్ తీసేయాలి? 4. అంటే నానా ఈ నెట్ రైట్ యాజ్ నెట్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ యాక్చువల్గా ఎంత ఉండాలి? ఈ మొత్తం ఎంత ఉండాలి? 4e. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఉంది? దిస్ వన్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే ఎంత ఉంది? 2e రైట్ యాజ్ n minus 2m into e. Look at total number of cells 4. Number of wrongly connected cell 1. 4 minus 2e. This is the formula for net EMF. Any question is wrongly connected cells. What is the net EMF? What is the formula? N minus 2m into e. Okay. Next now, what is the effective resistance? Effective resistance means external resistance R. Okay. Plus Nana 2 cells 2R, 3 cells 3R, 4 cells 4R. బాబు రెసిస్టెన్స్ కి డైరెక్షన్ ఉండదయ్యా. 4R. కొంతమంది ఇక్కడ కూడా n-2e రాస్తారు, రాయకూడదు. ఇది NR. 4 సెల్స్ అయితే 4R, టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సెల్స్ n సెల్స్ అయితే NR. మన ఎజెండా కరెంట్ కావాలి. కరెంట్ అంటే ఓమ్స్ లా I = V/R. Here R effective is R plus NR. E effective is n-2m into E. This is the formula for current formula. This can be used wrongly connected cells. Here n indicate total number of cells. M indicate number of wrongly connected cells. Okay. Means this is the cell nana plus minus EMF E. Internal resistance R. Next cell nana EMF E, internal resistance R. ఇలా చాలా ఉన్నాయి నాన్న. Look here. Okay. Next cell nana EMF E, internal resistance R. Here so many cells, all are connected in parallel. All are connected through external resistor capital R. This is the question. Okay, this is what combination? Parallel. Parallel lo voltage always constant. Simply call as 2 cells undi ana, each cell EMF enta E. 2 cells E, 3 cells E, 4 cells E, n cells E. అదేంటి సార్ అంటే in the parallel combination EMF is constant, voltage is constant. Completed. What is the effective resistance? Look here. What is the external resistor? R. Nana 2 cells in parallel annavanuko R by 2. 3 cells in parallel R by 3. N cells in parallel R by N. Okay. What is the formula for current, Nana? Current in parallel. Current in parallel. Current formula Ohm's law V by R. What is the net voltage? E. What is the effective resistance? Capital R plus small r by N. This is the current flowing, all cells connected in parallel. What is the formula? E by capital R plus small r by N. What is the formula finally? E by R plus R-1. External resistance less compared to internal resistance. Once again I repeat, external resistance is less compared to internal resistance. Simply internal resistance is much more compared to external resistance. In the situation, capital R, Sai Malik, capital R is neglect. Look here, Bangarkonda, IP equal to E by capital R is neglect. It write R by N. Finally we get N into E by R. E by R indicate according to Ohm's law current due to single cell. How many times increase? N times. What is the use of combinations? We got maximum current. In the series we got maximum current. External resistance is much more compared to internal resistance. In parallel we got maximum current. In parallel we got maximum current. Internal resistance is much more compared to external resistance. Vice versa, vice versa. External resistance is much more compared to internal resistance. In the series combination we got a maximum current. In the parallel combination, internal resistance is much more compared to external resistance. We got a maximum current. Okay, look here.